Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, go to the contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo to, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon. You can take a photo or just select one from the gallery, which I'm going to do. So here I select photo. Here you can adjust and crop it to the square size and tap on the tick button and then save. And as you can see, contact photo added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.